Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. Yeah, here on the SUI chart, the price is dealing with a possible 5-wave move to the upside. So the fifth wave to the upside here. Whoops, 1 second. The fifth wave to the upside here could be unfolding. That would be wave 5 of circle 3. And the problem is that it's already so extended that I can't promise you that we get further extension. I mean, you can never promise anything in financial markets, but the main takeaway is as long as we're still holding above critical levels, further upside extensions within a still unfolding circle 3 wave are possible. That means only when wave 3 is done, the wave 4 should start, and then afterwards, ideally one more high in wave 5. I think it can all, we can all boil it down to a few key parameters. There is some weak, I would say weak, short-term support at around $3.50. This is important to hold to maintain the direct move up as a possibility. However, below $3.50, the $3 mark will be highly relevant. Because below $3, and so I personally would need to see a break below $3 to confirm that circle wave 4 has started. Okay, so 350 would already increase probabilities that circle wave 4 has started, but a break below $3 would confirm that in my view. And below $3, the $1.92 level is key bullish support for an unfolding upside impulse. So this means essentially that the bulls still have a chance as long as the price is holding above $1.92. Below that level, you could argue a bear market begins, or the risk is very high. But there are several layers of support that protect the price from breaking into a downward spiral. And in the very short term, I mean, as long as we haven't even broken the last swing low, we can watch for further direct upside extensions. The only thing is that in the last few days, several coins, formed really nice upside structures. SUI not yet really. SUI is still waiting. I think SUI has just allowed some of the other coins to catch up. That is something that we have observed also, like with Solana, which was really strong last year. This year, yeah, kind of, but it's mostly been ranging, to be honest, right? It's mostly been ranging. And that's always the problem, people then, there's a huge rally and then people follow that coin only. And like recency bias, it's called, I think. So when people see a coin rally a lot and then they think it should always continue, whereas then at some point when the market is overstretched, which I've been highlighting here a few times now, the market is really overstretched here without any break of support. So it's not bearish, but it's just like, at some point these are slowing down a little bit, right? And then other charts are catching up, right? The ones that are in support, SUI is not in support. So there is no, I would say there is no high probability setup. I mean, if you want to trade this still on the long side, there is a 1-2 setup, I'd argue, but we need to hold that 351 level. And then what are the next upside levels to watch? Which obviously could be reached more directly as long as the price is holding 351. Again, below that level, the focus will shift on $3 and then 192. And I have no evidence that the next move up has started. It would require a break above 492 for that. And the next move up should take the price to 557, 690, and 853 next. I would say 853 would look really good, but it would be quite a lot of an extension, quite a strong extension. So maybe only 557 to 690. I'd say in this move up, maybe 853 is quite a bit of a stretch. We'll see what happens. I mean, essentially, it all boils down to the 192 level as key bullish support with several layers of micro support or let's say weak support in between. That's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.